Hi guys, it's your girl Diana. I look rusty. Woke up a few hours ago, and my friend has just called me. She's in Nairobi. She's from LD. She had told me she'll be here, but I didn't think she'll be here that early, so I want to quickly prepare, and then we meet. I might take you along or might not. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. So let me go get ready because I have 1 hour. I decided to do some easy workouts so that I can at least get some workout done for the day because I knew after the outing I want to be able. And here I was feeling myself, hey, go, go. I was saying I finished getting ready, so I'm heading to where we're supposed to meet. I'll show you my OOTD when I get there. Otherwise, see ya. Bye. In true African fashion, my friend was late by 30 minutes. So here I was just trying to pass time at the washrooms. Also, this is my quick OOTD. I love this set of pants. I've styled them in a separate video. Please go back and watch if you have not watched it. Yeah. First attempt, amegonga zero. I am not sure if I've told you where we were at. We were at Pins. Pins is the bowling place. It's in Sarit Center. Sarit Center is a mall in Westlands. Yeah, and that's me about to murder them. Murder them. Nicole, if you're watching this, this is how it's done. You see? Yeah, that's how it's done, baby girl. As simple as that. Thank you. After a while, my expertise started rubbing off on her, and at least she started hitting some balls. And I didn't hear the end of it. The whole game, she was raving about that one time she almost hit all of them. Wow. Some days I went back to the shop before heading. Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. Yesterday I left you hanging. We went bowling at Sarit, and it was so much fun. It was my first time bowling, by the way, and I loved the experience. I look crusty because I've just woken up and my body's aching me, especially my upper body. It was some sort of a workout, but I really had fun. Thank you so much, Nicole, for the outing. Yeah, and cheers to friends who take you out and just experience and explore new things, or friends who plan activities and actually execute them. Yeah, my face is breaking out so much and I'm so tired of it. So today the weather is quite dull, and I was thinking of maybe just chilling in the house with my baby. Yeah, because it's so cold outside. It's actually drizzling. So I'll spend the day with you today, and hopefully something interesting comes up. Also, I'm trying to thank you, Mama. I'm trying to get better at vlogging, because I realized my vlogs are so pathetic. And for you to improve at something, you have to keep on doing it whilst executing some corrections here and there, and that is what I plan on doing. So please support me by watching my vlogs. At least if there's any tip you can give me, I'd really appreciate. Also comment what type of content you love aside from my fashion and baking content. Yes, so let's see. Good girl. Let's see how the day goes. So guys, we are going for grocery shopping huko Githurai. Though I won't be vlogging because, as we all know, Githurai, this is my phone. I use my phone to vlog and I can't risk. Yeah, I'll show you what I get once I'm done. Otherwise, see you when I'm back. Okay, my skin. Wow. Hi guys. Let's go, Mama. So hi guys, I'm back from Githurai, and I want to show you just some of the things that I got. They're just basic things, but they kind of help me save money. That's why I shop at Githurai market. So first, I've got this one is from my Mama Kibanda. This is just skuma wiki, normal skuma wiki, and some dania. So normally what takes me there is nyanya, tomatoes, and onions. So this whole pack is full of tomatoes and onions. Tomatoes were going for as cheap as 30. That is, for 3 tomatoes you get them at 10 shillings. I got for 5 tomatoes 20 shillings, which is a good deal, and the average size is like this one. Onions too were going for 5 at 20 shillings, so they were almost like, there's also a shilling for each onion, but these ones were going for 5 of these at 20 shillings. So I got those ones worth 100 and tomatoes worth 150 bob. Yeah, aside from that, I also got some bananas for my baby, some avocados. Fun fact, my house is a big fan of avocados. I think we consume almost, how many avocados per day? 3 avocados per day. Yeah, so I got some, and some oranges. We also got here the oranges, which was quite a deal also. These ones were going for 5 of these at 100 shillings, so one was like 20 shillings, and this is a good size for that amount. We also found out there's a think twice, it's called Twice Cheaper, which is a thrift store, same to budget wear, if you all think twice. And we got some clothes which I'll show you in a different haul because I can't show you here. Yeah, that's it for my haul, and I'll see you guys later. Here is a better view of all the things I got. The tomatoes look kidogo, but they were quite a lot. They actually lasted me 2 whole weeks, and I cook every day in my house. The bananas and the oranges were so yummy, especially the oranges. So yummy. I'm glad. So hi guys, I just realized as I was editing the bowling vlog that I didn't end the video. If you've reached to this part of the video, thank you so much. Thank you so much to the new subscribers. Thank you to the people who are supporting my content, sharing my content in different platforms. I see you and I appreciate you. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.